मुरगांव पुलिसांनी घरफोडीच्या केशीन यूपीच्या मुकेश मालवेक धरलो। दाबोळे जयराम नगरान ताणे रमेश पार्सेकराच्या घरान वावराडेचो रूम फोडून भांगर आनी कॅश धरून 50,000चो हात मारिल्लो। घराचे दार फोडटना पळयल्या उपरांत ताणे फुज्जो काढलो। पुलिसांनी ताका 24 वरां भितर धरलो। ताच्या बरोबर आनी एकलो आशिल्लो, तोय फुज्जो। पुलीस ताका सोदतात।
Two persons attempting to break his main door of bungalow. The accused person fled away. Meanwhile, they had left behind one scooter, Margaon registration Activa scooter. The accused person had also broken open the servant's room and decamped with gold ornaments and cash of ₹15,000. Vasco police, on receipt of the said information, rushed to the spot and traced the owner of the scooter based at Margaon, wherein it was revealed that the accused persons had taken on hire the said scooter from a city-based hotel at Margaon. Subsequently, staff rushed to the spot and they managed to get hold of one accused person who had committed the theft. Part of the stolen property is already recovered. The said accused person is in police custody, who is namely one Mukesh Malvi, aged 34 years, a native of Ghaziabad, UP, Uttar Pradesh. Police are in search of the other accused person who had committed the burglary during daytime.
अमरजीत सिंग भारताचे अंडर-17 टीमीचो कॅप्टन म्हणून मंगळारा जाहीर जाले। जितेंद्र सिंग वायस कॅप्टन। पंगडांतल्या प्लेयरांनी सिक्रेट बॅलेटा वरवीं मुखेली आनी उपमुखेली थारायले। भारताची उक्तावणाची मॅच USA वांगडा न्यू दिल्लींत 6 ऑक्टोबराक जातली। दोतोर फिलिप पिंटो यादस्तीक टेबल टेनिस सर्त पणजेच्या क्लब वास्को द गामान चलता। मंगळारा चलयांचे कॅडेट आनी सब ज्युनियर गटांतल्यो गेमी जाल्यो। पळयात कांय खिणचित्रां। हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटल्यो। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।